Absolutely awful. Awful lighting. I look crazy right now. Hi everyone! So I've seen a lot of diaper bag reviews for Tokidoki, but one thing I haven't seen are reviews for people who actually don't have children. Now you might be wondering, why would you be carrying a diaper bag if you don't have children? Well, for one, they're some of the most organized bags that you can get. And number two, I have been wearing Tokidoki since 2005. Okay, so let's go ahead and get inside of the bag. Just gonna do the quick 360 here. There's some tape right there. And then right back to the beginning. Really nice, well-organized bag. They put so much detail into these bags. Even these little, even the little zippers are just adorable. It's like a little diamond staring at you, smiling at you. Okay, so first thing we'll do is go into the front. Very easy to open. I'm gonna do the flip down trick that I learned from all the ladies on YouTube. Got Donatello on there. That's my favorite. One of my favorites. I think Bastardino is my favorite. Anyway. You'll be able to hear my children, which is a mini schnauzer and a French bulldog in the background. Whiskers. Mommy's making a video. Okay, so there's nothing else in this package here. And then you can see there's a tech pocket right there. And I just put my phone in it. I love Bath and Body Works, and I love their pocket bags. This is the birthday wishes one. Look how cute that is. It's very wintry. Stick that up there for a second. Oftentimes I'll also carry a foaming hand sanitizer in there because I'm neurotic and insane. So we'll go ahead and stick those back in there. It was a lot easier to get them in at first. There we go. Okay. This bag looks like it's barely been worn, by the way. Okay, so now we're gonna open this up. Here's what I love the most about this. Look at how far down the zips. Just pick up the... I can't even work a tripod, guys. I'm trying. But you can see how far, see that little diamond hanging there? That's how far it zips down. On an average purse, you're gonna have this tiny little hole that you gotta kind of stick everything into. And so that's one good thing about a diaper bag, is it really does pull down very nicely. Okay. And it's got the little gussets here, I think that's what it's called. But what do I keep in it? My car keys. I got my truck and my caddy. Rough and tumble clutch, and on the inside is linens. A nice gold linen, isn't that beautiful? And then I've got all my Lush goodies, so like my lip glosses. Okay, so this is the bottom of the bag. Now you can see it's got two pockets right here, little zip pockets. I'm not entirely sure what you would use them for. One of those little coin pouches would fit in there just fine. And then you've got the open pockets too. So these would be cool for like one of those smaller, medium-sized B-set pieces. This is Be Quick. So it's a little bit bigger than the large set piece because it has my little guy Bastardino on there, which has been one of my all-time favorite Tokidoki characters, right next to my other favorite, which is Donatello. Okay, so what's inside this? And then, this is one I bought for $17 on Mercari. Now, the pattern placement isn't perfect, but I just couldn't pass it up for the price. And Toki Camp is a really, really cute design pattern. So. All right, leave it to my dogs to totally ruin the moment. My zen-ass moment here. Okay. Get a little crunch for the ASMR type, huh? And these bags fit so perfectly into these bigger bags. And then finally, I've got my iPad 11-inch Pro. Okay, let me see if I can go ahead and stuff this back in as I put it in. Now you might think, wow, this is really packed. Honestly, once you pull this out, you still got like a third of the bag. So I like to carry my gloves and my hat with me for the winter time inside of my bag. I didn't close this up. Just the handle. You can grab it with the handle just fine, but I would not suggest carrying it with the handle. I think with it being this heavy all the time and the style of fabric, I bet it would rip after a while. So go ahead and check out my other video on how I fixed this bag. You can like barely, oh, there's my head. You can barely see where I fixed it. And from a distance, you really can't see it at all, so. All right, thank you for joining me. Oh, look at my hair, it's awful. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you again with the next video.